back to another video. Yesterday I took a little break since it was my birthday, and thank you guys. I've been reading the comments and y'all really have been showing me a lot of love. Cats and stuff, the dogs be getting under the house. But we're gonna wash the bike up. Alright, got the bike cleaned up, guys. Where you going, dude?
Go for a little ride. What's up?
About to ride my bike. So how long has it been, you think, since you rode a dirt bike?
A couple of days ago.
Days ago, when you stole my bike?
Yeah, when I seen that crazy old man steals your dirt bike. Yeah. Probably 20-something years since I rode a dirt bike a lot.
20 plus years since he's rode a dirt bike. Well, just ride it, dude. Come on.
I'm not high gear. You're high gear. I'm old gear. Old. High. Old. High. Old. Old. High. Old. High.
Come on, relive the youth days. Come on now. Just do it.
Oh,
for the subscribers, they've been wanting you to.
Yeah, subscribers.
You need that helmet now.
No.
Wait. Boots. Alright.
Yeah, those are work boots.
Work boots, alright. Boots.
Subscribers need riding boots.
They tell me I need riding boots.
Do I have to wear riding boots on your channel? These are work boots.
On my channel, I don't think so. I don't think you have to wear boots on my channel.
The other day, I didn't have boots at all on. It made it go faster with no boots.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's right. I think I was hearing the other day when somebody said that when you ride in sandals and stuff like that, it adds more horsepower. Don't you think so?
Yeah, I was flying.
Yeah. So I would recommend wearing sandals when you ride. Like I said, adds more horsepower. You ready, dude? You're in control now. You gotta do it.
Right.
You know what to do?
Yeah.
I don't think he knows what to do. Reliving the youth, guys. Well, let's go. Just takes a little high gear talking and convincing him to ride. It's been 20 plus years since he's rode like a dirt bike and stuff like that. 20 plus years, my boy. 20 plus years, and he's already about to blow it up. Blew her up. How's the experience for the first time back on a dirt bike or a bike like this in 20 plus years? How's it feel?
I'll go back to my bike now. I'm glad you're high gear. I'm old gear. Peace out.
Well, he just got done riding the YZ, reliving the old days. Now he's going to relive last week and ride his bike. Alright, enough of that. Let's go inside, grab the GoPro. Yes, I charged it last night, so we're good to go. Oh, wait. Gotta get the shoes on. Socks first. Wait, boots. Changed my mind. Putting on the old boots. Alright, back again. GoPro footage with a full charge of GoPro. Wait, yeah, full charge. Get on it, crank it up. Wearing boots, guys, this time. Boots! Oh, Jared right there. You finally got the car back? Heck yeah. Going to work? I'll see you later, bro. Standing up on the box, no hand on the box, Bach. But if you didn't know where that was, guys, I'm pretty sure you do from yesterday or the day before the video. He was in it, he rode the Bach. And there was Mauricio, I'm sure you know him. He's been in the videos also. And I'm sure you know him. His name's Dickhead, F-head, Pisshead, whatever I called him. Pissant, yeah, that was one of them, Pissant. And here, right here, around this corner, is the path that I love dearly. Hey, baby. I wish I could get my roost coming up. I wish I had a GoPro or something attached to the back and just getting that roost, or somebody recording me, because I know that roost is high. I feel it. It ain't, all the power ain't there, and it's cause it's just spinning a long time. See if we can get it a little bit. Oh yeah, for sure. Let's try to do it. But as I was saying a couple videos back, it gets squirrely right here and just starts going like this. I'm sure you can see the bars and how they're moving. You see the bars, guys? They're going, it's just going like the whole way up that baby. One day I'm gonna lose control and that's not gonna be good. But until then, I'm gonna keep on brapping. Smack. Guys, if you want me to go to Cape Park this weekend, and maybe Rooster Mix might come over, but I mean, there's no good news about that because he don't have a bike. But I mean, he is a buddy with a bike or without. We're still real good friends, and it's fun hanging out with him either way. But hopefully he'll be able to come. Also got the pit bike still, so he'll be able to ride that like we did last time. I wish that was a jump. I wish it kept on going. I could send it. Let's go down the road a couple more times, and I'll probably set up my camera and get some shots of, like, you know, third person, I guess you could say, of me riding. Ride down the road too much, you know, meanie head right there will call the law. Let's do a seat wheelie, a knee wheelie or whatever, seat stand wheelie. I'm probably about to mess up bad. Oh my God, that is scary. Oh my God. Heck no. Save that for another day. Well, let's get back to the cribbo and maybe take some more riding shots. If not, slam on the brakes. Well, we're back, guys. Wait. Let me tell you something before we go inside and start editing the video, because that's what I do. But, you're going to say it's because of my weight. Yeah, it probably is because of my weight, because I'm a fat. But, yeah, the suspension, the rear suspension is getting a little clapped. The clap suspension, got to pick me up some more, or another suspension. And if you know any good suspensions for YZ125s, 2000 model, you can leave me some links down below that I can check out. And for cheap too, so make sure they're pretty good quality suspension that won't clap, maybe like 200 and above weight limit. And yeah, if you know any good suspensions for this bike, let me know. Send links, like I said, and I'll check that out and see what we can do. Also been looking at some Pro Taper bars and the YZ High bars for the YZ High Bend, what it's actually called. And for this bike, they're like 69 bucks, pretty cheap. But I'm gonna pick me up some of those when I get my money. Come here, phone. What are you doing here? But yeah, guys, other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications, just get ready for all these new videos that's coming out, and we'll have some fun doing that. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace out.